So all you found is everything is natural here. Explore the beautiful view, guys. Uh-huh. So that plant is used for the cow, for the medicine purpose, good for eating also. Guys, we say Totavadi. See here? See the difference? When you touch, this plant will close. See here? Wow. There you can see one uncle is taking that small cow. There is so neat and clean, guys. There is no waste here. And this is some people, some tourists, they throw things, but otherwise here the people maintain well. Due to rain, the water is like mixed. Otherwise, it's a beautiful water, guys. My shoes are wet, not shoe, sandal. So what I'll do is, I'll just clean my slippers, sandals. It's so dirty. I'm cleaning my sandals. Nice, chill. So you're full of dirt, so we are moving this way. Guys, റബ്ബറുടെ പാലാണ് ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് ഒഴുകി വരുന്നത്. ചീണ്ടി എടുക്കുന്നത്. So there you saw, and this is the way the milk comes and we create rubber. This is anili ela. This is vatta ela. So many elas. Canal. ഫുൾ പനങ്ങാണ്ടി മരമാണത്. passion fruit. All fruits you get here. Oh, rich papaya. Here all we have papaya. That's known as taking here. Everything is free. You can see the bridge. It's kind of fruit. Cascade apple. Guys, cascade apple. Made in mud. Beautiful plants. You can see the water flows. Here all it is very deep, guys. Ginger. Ginger, guys. Ginger. So many plants are there. It's deep, guys. If you go there, you will fall that side. See, there is a banana tree and flower. This is cane, sugar cane. Guava tree, jackfruit tree, sunflower. Guys, I'm walking very long and we need to walk more. There is some church there, so you can listen sound. You can see a beautiful houses here. This road goes somewhere, and we need to go to this pala. So after a long time, after a huge walk, we found a bridge here. So canal bridge it is. The water flow goes here, and coming towards this side, you can see. Oh my god, check out guys, huge view.